This is what we are to expect for the day on gold. So today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where traders of like-minded people come together to share market insights, market updates, and market forecasts. You can be part of this community by visiting investsocial.com. It is also a community for analysts and developers. If you are any of this or you want to connect with people of this, you can actually be connected and connect with these people by visiting investsocial.com. Starting with this movement right here, guys, on gold, it is very clear and it is very simple that gold is in an uptrend move. This is what gold is literally doing. We are currently trending to the outside as there comes the eye, and this is the pullback phase. This is also our eye, and here is the pullback phase right here. Market has now, is now pushing up. That has now given us a new high. So market has now pushed up to give us a new high. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame right here. So in this 4-hour time frame, market is giving us a pullback right here, and we are to expect one more movement upward. So one more movement upward is what we are to expect on gold. Let's drop down to the 1-hour time frame. Let's see from gold to push up, thereby giving us about 300 pips. So during this week, right, for this week, we will be expecting nothing less than 300 pips on gold. But for Monday, gold is likely to give us between 100 to 150 pips. So if you can hit 100 and 100 and between 100 and 150 pips for the day, I think that will be fine. But this week we'll be making nothing less than 300 pips on gold. So if you find this video very helpful, you can visit investsocial.com to be part of the community and also to share your own idea and also possibly strategy. See you in the next video.